Thank you. So, there's a lot of fear in our head. Please understand that pets are very nice. If anybody has fear, who raised their hand? Fear? Fear? Who? You're fear. Come. Okay, so even if you didn't have fear. No, it will transfer because of you. Okay, which is wrong. Right? So come in, let me come in here. Let's try and take out his fear here. Now how many of you want him to be fearless? Come on, I can hear you! I cannot hear you, Banglo! How many of you want him to be fearless?
Yes! All of us.
Correct answer? Okay, so what is your name? Viren, please come. Come in here. Go. Try. Viren, stop passing the buck. I think you're too old right now for passing the buck. Come in here. Yeah. He's a guardian of Tibet. He guards Tibet. Okay. Sufficient. Come in here. Quickly come in here. Afghan hounds used for hunting by the Arabs. Okay. Come in here. And he's a hunter too. Come in here. Come in here. Another Afghan hound here. Go ahead. You know what? Actually, the most dangerous creature on earth is, which animal?
Human.
Which animal? Humans. The poor dogs, we are scared of them. How funny that is. Okay. So Vinay, how does it feel now? Super, thank you. So, are we, anybody else has a fear? Any lady? Ma'am, come. One second, I'll get it. Come. No problem. Come. What is your name, ma'am? Come, ma'am. What is your name? Bow. What is this mean? Bow. What is your name? Lakshmi, come. So which dog are you really scared of?
Scared of anyone.
Then you're sitting nicely next to me. Okay, so why scared of dogs?
When I'm small.
You bit your brother. What did your brother do? Very valid question. What did your brother do to the dog?
I had heard that it was scared.
So ma'am, I'll tell you. Imagine if you don't know me and if I'm pulling your hair, will you slap me? No, I'm just checking. Will you slap me? What wrong with dog doing? Right? So come. I just request my friend. Come. Relax. Yeah, come. Ginger, her name is Ginger. Say hi, Ginger.
Hi.
Say hi, Ginger.
Hi, Ginger.
Say how are you, Ginger?
How are you, Ginger?
What are you doing, Ginger? Now, come here. So I don't know Ginger myself, okay? The first time that I'm seeing Ginger. So see, if it bites me, I will take it to the hospital.
What bite, how much time is it?
Now, Lakshmi, first thing, relax. Take a deep breath. It's another human, it is not a living being like us. Now, anybody who has fear, please go. Guys, my friends, the one who holding the dog, so if any kids come in, please allow him. Go. Yeah, okay, thanks. So Lakshmi, how do you feel? No, now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the dog in your hand. Relax, Lakshmi, relax. Can you please?
See, Papa.
Try. One second, wait. Try.
Come back. Enough.
Yeah, please move from the side. Yeah, move from center. Yeah, good. Come on, can you clap for Lakshmi, everybody? Beautiful. Yeah, good. Come here. Go ahead, Lakshmi. You are holding a baby in your hand. Lakshmi, relax. Is she a mother? When you can hold your son, I'm sure you can hold that too. So, relax now. Talk to him. Look there. So I'm glad I was able to help somebody with their fear. Go ahead, Lakshmi. Why don't you take a walk and show to your kid? Because I'm sure you will transfer this fear to your kid also, which is bad. Good, good. I'm glad she's not following the mother. Okay, and now, can we request all the guys to walk around? Can you please? Oh, so come. Let's walk through. Yes, sir. You can touch the dog, huh? Yeah, but I do not know whether the dog wants to touch you. I'm just checking with the dog. I don't know. Okay, can you please walk through? Come. Yeah, please. Come in. Walk. Okay, thank you. Yeah, please walk through. What happened? Come, walk through quickly. Walk, sir. Yeah, so please, we'll start with you. Please walk. Walk that way. Come on, guys, can you clap for them? Can you clap for the lovely little pet that we have in here? Super, guys, a round of applause for all the lovely pets over there. Thank you. And I'm not done. I told you 2 performances, I give you 1. I'm going to give you another one. This will be the best performance of the evening. After the pets, of course, because we're here for the pets and pets are beautiful and wonderful. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and thank you, Mr. Satish. I think your collection is fantastic. Can we have another huge round of applause for this man, everybody? He's the one with all the pets. Taking care of them, feeding them, and showing off with them. I think it's brilliant. Thank you, sir. And now, I told you I'm not done, so can I have my friend? Very good, huh?